Walcott 剩下2秒的出手，3分线！Walcott 带球往禁区走，哇！面对张根玉，单手双手的严扣，哈哈！
积极的防守，这个球在地上，最后还是抄到球了。田浩的速度过快，结果造成犯规，计算 and one。
哦，下3路的球，这时候重心失去，因为陈立焕这个球有干扰到哦。那这个球落到地板上面，那当然这个球就是田浩在这边的优势哦。
但是打板没有进啊，前面很快的李宇杰交给了大手，单手突然。哇！齐天大圣降临了！
哇，工程师的 short time，
这一下 ，Walcott 剩下2秒的出手，3分线！
我的天！
上半场打完之后，双方10分的距离，稍待会再回到这一个比赛现场。剑走，抛投的方式力道大了，前场快攻的机会，施晋尧再回给林耀宗，再来个漂亮的给球，给了何林俊，双手轰炸篮筐，又来了。
对，这个
哇，过去在4连霸的王朝当中哦，屡屡看到许晋哲总教练运用这样的系统来帮助球队获得胜利哦。那现在看起来，这个系统也是对啊。
对
，Walcott 带球往禁区走，哇！面对张根玉，单手双手的严扣，哈哈！
哇，这个球他从底线利用这个 down screen 出来之后，接到球，摆脱了张根玉，距离1步的距离，非常小的空档，他去展现出他。
Rush patterns, because you have 230 games. You are the only one local player with 230 games this season. How do you feel about that?
It's a blessing. Coach will tell you, like, I was a little apprehensive at coming here at first. But, one of the reasons I came here was because of the way, that you can have a way of life here, and all the sporting competitions are back. That's like still very restricted back at home. So to be able to come here and be able to play basketball in a relatively restriction-free area, I'm grateful. Like, my college teammates, they only played 8 games this year. So to be able to come here and play a full season and be able to, adjust it, and be able to play basketball and be able to play big minutes in my rookie year, which, I knew a possibility that I wouldn't. I'm extremely grateful.
那当然是很谦虚的话，非常感谢有这样的机会。毕竟他提到说，其实在他国外的队友，那当然只是打8场球而已，就因为最近整个疫情情况，那当然就是他非常幸运留在这边。当然还提到说，教练一开始他觉得他这个人在适应的方面有花点时间挣扎过，他还是觉得非常开心，能够这样，因为慢慢的适应这个团队。
Good shots from the corner, Vado. Good shots again. He had a good, tremendous dunk. Very excited. Especially on one of our former guys that used to play for us. I just think that we just got to continue to just come hard, continue to give our energy, continue to just focus on the game plan at hand, and just give it our all.
那他一样是呼应刚才教练讲的，那个年轻的球员，上线天前那时候正比在台北的时候，台北这样的主场跳出来，那当然像其实那个 Randy 的话，其实他也有那是第2场比赛也有这样爆炸性的表现。那么还是一样呼应教练讲的说，我们是还有回去还是有很多需要调整、需要修改的地方，我们才能越做越好。
那我们也请有人都谈3场比赛。
This game really was, game of runs. You could just tell by the box score, pretty much from the second quarter on, it was a team, pretty much dominating a single quarter. And, we were able to weather their storm late in the third and be able to seize control again in the fourth. And, our team, we fought and we fought. And, we made some plays at the end, they didn't. And, I'm proud of our guys for fighting. The momentum was going their way, but, we were able to just weather it and be able to come out with a win.
都还是很开心，今天赢下来。那假如说第3节下半场一开始的时候，的确是对方打得比较好，比较积极，需要把这个节奏掌握住了。我还很幸运的是第4节我们赶紧调整好，也是在最后关键几个时刻，我们做了很多很好的事情，把球投进跟把比分守下来，然后最后赢球。